Welcome to my channel, Linzette's World. My video is about be a money magnet. Imagine yourself wealthy. Believe you are a money magnet. Every day say, I am a money magnet. Say, money is mine. Say, I have more money than I can spend. Say, I am deserving of extreme amounts of money. Say, I am worthy to receive extreme amounts of money. Say, yes, extreme amounts of money will come to me today. Say, it is time for extreme amounts of money to come to me now. Say, I have received extreme amounts of money in my bank account today. Remember, you are deserving of extreme amounts of money. Say it every day. And remember to like and subscribe to Linzette's World.